I like peanut butter. I like peanut butter. Peanut butter. I like peanut butter. All right, we're back. I kind of had to clean off the table a little bit, but check this out. This is a big old camera backpack made by Canon. This is my lady's bag. A lot of times when we go out and go geocaching, hiking, that kind of thing, just kind of walking around doing all that stuff. Well, we kind of need to carry more than one camera. This carries all her stuff, and you can put a DSLR in here and all kinds of stuff. But here's what I do. This is a little trick I do, and all it is really is since you have on the camera bag those two back loops, they kind of run back here. I don't know if you can see that or not. So you got little loops here and you got a loop here. What I like to do is, since this bag actually has a waist strap, is I'll run the waist strap back through the belt loops, and since this bag also has a carrier, I'll run it through the belt loops behind the carrier on the large camera bag and out the other side. So what I actually have, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, is kind of a camera bag system. Now this is not the best, but it works, and you definitely don't want to leave this unattended. But yeah, a lot of these loops and stuff, take advantage of them. Got some straps here, and what I used to do was actually run the shoulder strap through the little loops up here and kind of go through the top of the loop on the bag up there and kind of do it. But this way works too. Now the bag gets slightly heavy when you kind of have all your stuff in it. I'm a big tough guy. I carry it around, and then you can always take it off, and you still have access to this camera bag too. So if you want to do some quick video, you can. But yeah, not too bad. And, the colors don't match, but who cares? But yeah, it's something you might want to think about. If there's a way to strap your bag safely to your other bag, if you have multiple, then you don't necessarily have to carry one giant bag. You can carry one bag you carry all the time, and then maybe have a different bag. So in other words, camera stuff, video stuff, or whatever you've got. So if you don't really want to mix and match and kind of like keep your stuff separate, like video camera stuff separate from DSLR or just photography in general, yeah, use these bags like a little bag system, if you will. Like you do in the military, they have nice frame backpack, and you can put modules on it to actually do what you got to do. So, little tip for you: ran the waist strap through the back of the belt loops, or the back straps. I think these are belt loops on this camera bag. Got all snug down. If I was really worried about weight, I could actually run little zip ties through here. But the only thing about zip ties is it makes it kind of hard to remove the bag. So there you go, a little tip for you. You can do with that what you will. But overall, the SCA60, good little camera bag. I think it's very sturdy. I like the way it's constructed. Nice. Feels like it's going to be waterproof. I do like that. Nice little sturdy bottom there. And not real thick, padded all the way around. I do like the dual zippers in the enclosure, and the straps are good. It just feels like a good sturdy bag. Definitely not a cheap bag. I mean, even the zipper pull feels kind of thick. So, anyway, there you go. Bye-bye. I like peanut butter. I like peanut butter. I like peanut butter. Peanut